Ah,
There. But
go ahead. What do you think? Say, what do you think, Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Pretty. Is she pretty? Is she smiling at you?
Hi.
hi.
Hi, baby.
Tell her your name.
Abby.
Abby.
Abby, your
Abby.
name.
Say, I'm your sister.
Abigail, who is that?
Abby.
Are you Abby? Is that your baby sister?
Is this Samantha?
Can you say baby sister?
It's you.
Sister.
Can you give Abigail? Can you give Samantha? Thank
Oh,
you.
so sweet.
You
Good
just
girl.
love her.
It's a good girl
Thank
being
you.
gentle,
Aw.
Abigail. Good girl.
She's throwing you guys kisses.
She's throwing you kisses, Mommy.